today I'm going to be showing you how to make Mexican fritters. But before we get into this video, you guys, I'm going to need you to like, comment, subscribe, turn on that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Let's get into this video, you guys. Y'all, when I tell y'all, these Mexican fritters, woo, they make you want to slap your mama. Bussin'. This is one of the easiest vegan recipes I've made this far. Very simple and easy. You cannot mess this one up. Mexican fritters. And here's all the ingredients that you're going to need to get started. In a large bowl, we're going to combine all these ingredients together. You're going to start off by adding your sweet corn. You don't have to use sweet corn. You can use regular corn if you like. Next, you're going to add in your cilantro and onions. I just combined the two because I was using the food chopper, so it made it that much easier. Next, you're going to add in your cornmeal, gluten-free all-purpose flour, but you could use regular all-purpose flour if you like. Now you're going to add in your smoked paprika, lime juice, salt and pepper for the taste. Next, you're going to add in your just egg. Now you're going to add in your cheese. Now we're going to give this a good stir and make sure it's well blended. After mixing up everything very well, we're going to heat up some oil in a medium frying pan on medium to high heat. Just make sure that you're adjusting the heat because you don't want these fritters to burn. This video, I used grapeseed oil. I did not measure anything, you guys. I'm sorry. I just kind of eyeballed the oil. I put in enough just to make sure that it's going to cook on both sides evenly. Now you're going to scoop the mixture out and form patties as you see in the video. And these are great for starters, in between snacks, lunch and dinner. And of course, this ended up being dinner for me because when I'm making these videos for you guys, I don't be hungry. It's weird. I guess because I'm tasting things as I'm, preparing them or whatever, but I don't be as hungry. So this ended up being my dinner for that day. If y'all seen the vegan rib video that I posted, you would see in that video that I did make the Mexican fritters. We had company over that day. They loved it. I had to make them for you guys again. We're going to cook these for 4 minutes on each side or until they're golden brown. Now that these are done, now it's time to enjoy these delicious vegan Mexican fritters. sauce that I made is a vegan mayo with, and I forgot what I made. Hold on. It was adobo, chili pepper, and adobo sauce. And agave raw. Agave in the raw. That's what I made the sauce with that. Like, it's slamming, y'all. It's crazy. I made it and forgot what I made. But this right here. Ooh. Hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did making it. Thanks for watching. Bye.